Yeah, greetings. I hope everybody's doing well. So I just want to show you how I'm laying the saxophone on a Reggae Dube kind of reggae. I've done a tutorial on how they were exploring their sounds, and also I did the basic tutorial on how to come up with that reggae beat. But now I want to show how to lay saxophones in a beat which is already made. So let's get into the tutorial right away. Okay, so okay, I have a beat here. Just listen to it, then we'll take into the step by step how you can play those kind of saxophones. Okay, so at first there is this. So this is the beat, right? So what I'll do is I'm going to mute this pad and also this organ. The reason is I want to have enough space for those saxophones so that there's no congestion of instruments at the beginning. So that's what it is. Okay, so this is just a beat I made. These are the sounds that I've used. It's mostly expand, you know me. Expand. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Will Films channel. This is Reggae and Dancehall Strict Ray. See me and subscribe. Alright, so okay, so let's see how I'm combining like 4 voices. So if you have alto, you have tenor, you have soprano, that's what I'm doing here. So the other hand is doing like, so this one is playing like, you see. So the other one, which is my right hand, playing 3 keys at the same time, like triads. So the song is on, so the song is played on 4 4 4 5 5 4 4 1 1. That's the progression. So what I'm doing is like this. See, so you can play this one by one. You can record one line. But if you are a proficient keyboard player, you don't need to do that. You can just play it once. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can do it. So let me first drag this drum roll here. Just for the sake of this tutorial. But if so let's play this one. We can fix these other things later. Okay. I'll play them once for all. So you got So what I did is the last notes I sustained because we're closing the progression in this manner. So that's how you can play. That's how you can put some of these sounds. It's like you are dissolving. So basically, that's it. It's just simple. So if you are playing, you can have blast sections. You can also lay them in the same manner. Yeah. Sometimes you can choose to play one by one, like what I was saying. This is the other layer of tone. Now, so if you play these ones in line properly, one you start with the other one, and then lay them together, you come up with a sound like this one. But because I am efficient with keyboard, so I choose to play them once. Simple as that. So basically, that's how you can come up with you can lay sounds. That's how those guys, they were playing saxophones live. They were playing live saxophones. So there was alto sax, tenor sax, and trumpet. So they were able to separate these layers of tones properly. Alto saxophonist, his own thing, trumpet doing his own thing, and they coordinate. You know, music is about coordination. Even if there can be many players, as long as you are coordinating, that's what matters most. Boom, you got the sound that you are looking for. So those legends, they were really great. Yeah, and you can hear if you can, here's the keyboard, the pianos, and then there is guitar, the chop guitar, the chop guitar is here, and that's it. So basically that's it. So chop guitar and the bass line, and then this is the puff organ. This is the acoustic guitar, and then this is the clave, and then this is the organ. So this is just to yeah, that's it, gents. Yeah, so basically this is what I wanted to show you. It was just a very simple thing, but I hope you have grabbed the tip on how you can play saxophones in any kind of a style, as long as it's reggae. You may have some approaches like this, playing them triplets, trios with the keys, and then yeah, you'll be able to do your, if you combine all those voices based on the sound that you have chosen, you come up with a very good sound at the end of the day. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, I'm Wira Wills, and this is what we do. This channel is strictly reggae and dancehall. So yeah, you are welcome and you are not lost. Feel free. So if this story was good to you, that's great. I thank you for standing by to watch, and you can subscribe, leave a comment, like and share so that other people can also learn something from what we're doing. Salute, gentlemen. If you have, if you're looking for production services, mixing, recording, beat making and mastering, you can kindly approach me. You just comment and then I'll give you my contacts. Then we can do the business. Saying salute. Boom.